future code. Hey champions! Today we're jumping into a cool game where every word you type makes something exciting happen. The name of the game is Boom Word.
Wait, does that mean each word has its own special power? Like a secret code?
Exactly! You need to type the right word to make something cool happen in the game. These are the game's secret codes. You say the name and the game shows you what happens. Poof! The player disappears. Boom! All the obstacles explode. Jump! A super high jump. Whoosh! You move faster than the wind. And zip! A secret path open.
These moves are awesome.
Now, let's take our game into Python. In Python, these are split into two parts. One part is the keys and the other part is the values. Let's make a new variable called moves and write it like this. This type of variable is called a dictionary.
A dictionary? Like a real dictionary?
Yep, exactly. Just like a dictionary has a word and its meaning, here each key has a special value. And we always put everything inside curly braces like this.
I'm still a little confused.
That's okay. Let me show you with an example. Now we're going to ask the player to type a word and then show what action it does, like this.
So, I typed a word inside the square bracket like moves, word, and the action happens?
Exactly. It's like you're unlocking a secret move with a code word.
Oh, cool! I typed jump and it flew high up. That was amazing! What if I want to create my own special move, huh?
You can. Just do this. Now, you've created your own custom move. The code word is cup.
Awesome! So if I type cup, I get an extra life? This is so cool!
And if you want to remove a move, you can do that too, like this. You just remove a dangerous move. Now no one can use it anymore.
This game, this lesson was so fun.
Well, of course. Learning feels better when it's like a game. Today, you learned how to use words to make things happen in your program. That means you've stepped into the world of creative programmers. You can now create new actions or even remove the ones you don't want. You're kind of learning how to use secret codes. Next session, it's time to put all the things you've learned together and build the real program. Are you ready?